Okay, I will show you a few other generators I really like. This one I mentioned, Curify My Slides. We click on it, set a grade level, then we upload a presentation we have already made. So I will upload this one. Then we just press Do Magic. And now what Curipod does is that it reads this lesson I have already made in a PowerPoint or Google slide. And it reads it, and based on all the content in that lesson, it makes interactive activities inside Curipod. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. So we see that these slides here, these are the original lesson, but we also see some activities here. So this lesson was about the scientific method, and Curipod first created a word cloud, which word comes to mind when you think about scientific method. And then it created an open question for the students to answer. Then it kept most of the original here, but it created a drawing activity. And if I want to do this earlier, I can move this out to earlier in the activity. This created a choice board activity and an AI feedback exit ticket and a poll to see how confident the students was with today's lesson. So this just shows you how you can use material you already have to get started in Curipod. I'm going to show you a few more of my favorites. So this one, feedback from an historic figure. You go in here and you choose an historic figure, for instance, George Washington, and you set a question: what caused the American Revolution? Do magic. Let's see what Curipod creates. Here it creates a lesson which first has some information about, it actually created a picture as well. Look at that. Some information about George Washington. Then it creates an AI feedback activity where the students will answer what caused the American Revolution. But in this one, they will actually get feedback from George Washington. And I will cover how this works in our AI feedback course.